Meliconi bottle and can crusher. Let's see what it can do. I don't have a box for it today because I did use the device for a number of weeks to check it out properly. Cut! I do believe that you understand how much hassle people have with plastic bottles in the rubbish bins. They occupy lots of space, so the idea is to crush them into crushed tiny bottles, so you'll be able to store more of them in the same rubbish bin. This device is designed to crush plastic bottles like them yolks and aluminium and steel cans as well, but I do not recommend using this device for cans, as the comments on Amazon say that it is too fragile for crushing the cans. So bottles only. I checked it for the bottles, so let's see how it works. Surprisingly, the device was made in Italy. You can believe it or not, but it says made in Italy here inside. Okay, it consists of... it's made of 3 parts, so this is the crushing part. We have the base, and the base includes a small plate inside, so you can turn it around if you're dealing with a big bottle, or the other way around if you're dealing with a smaller bottle. So let's crush the first bottle now. To be honest, I use it always in the setting for small bottles, even when I'm crushing the bigger bottles, to get simply less of them. Cut! Well, it's time to deal with the first bottles today. So first of all, you have to unscrew the top a bit, the top cap. Just a tiny bit, so the air will be able to get out of it. And just press it hard. You see, the lock here should lock bottle in position. Then you just twist the cap and you should be done, more or less. Ta-da! Let's deal with the small one. As you just saw, the device works quite flawlessly with plastic PET bottles, but would it work during a road trip? To test the device, I came here to Spanish Point, so let's test it in the car. Cut! Yes, it does work in the middle of the car. Cut! Well, as you just saw, I am quite happy with the device. We are using it for, let's say, last 2 months. My girls are very happy with it. I'm happy with it. And if you want to get one of them, just check one of the affiliated links below. So just click it and get it if you think it's worth this 10 or 15 quid. We did have a problem with all the plastic bottles taking the room in our the recyclable bin, but the problem does not exist anymore, and we do not fill the bin weekly or fortnightly, because I think, yeah. So we don't fill it up because they are crushed, so they take, what, 1/5 of the place. Bottles are nice and crushed. They are going to end up in a bin, but in a couple of days, maybe weeks, maybe months, I'm gonna review this device that was supposed to do a similar job, but it's totally useless, and I'm not gonna recommend this one, but we're going to check this one out in a couple of days, maybe weeks. So for the time being, cut!
Yesterday we had a bit of a wind situation, so I had to get the bins back into operation mode.
As you just saw, I am quite happy with the device. My girls are happy with the device as well. we got rid of the problem every 2 weeks, every fortnight. Before our bins were taken away, our recyclable bin was full, and now we don't have this problem because the bottles, they occupy maybe 1/5 of the room they used to occupy before. So if you want to get one of them, just check out the affiliated links below. And for the time being, I think that's it. So watch some other of my videos, one here, one here, one here, and click my face to subscribe here. That's it. Bye bye.